which is perfect for flying kites. Let's make a beautiful kite and get it into the sky. What kind of swallow kite? Let's assemble the skeleton of the kite with bamboo strips first. The soft and flexible bamboo strips can be bent into proper shapes. As bamboo strips are quite light, the kite can fly into the sky with ease. Then fix the kite paper with the tape. The skeleton of the kite is ready. Let's color the kite. Which pattern should we choose? Wow! The beautiful kite is ready. Let's fly the kite. The wind is picking up. Turn the handle to fly the kite. Wow! The kite is flying into the sky. Drag the kite up, and it will fly faster and higher. use the seasonal vegetables to make some food for a picnic. Let's broccoli. There is a bunny popping out. Cauliflower. Broccoli. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Broccoli. It's annoying. Pick the bell peppers into the corresponding baskets. Let's process the ingredients. Make a delicious burger first. Cauliflower. Tomato. Yellow bell pepper. The rice burger will taste even better with yellow bell pepper. Green bell pepper. Cauliflower. Let's make a sandwich as well. Tomato. Yellow bell pepper. Green bell pepper. Add some vegetables to the pizza. Broccoli. Yellow bell pepper. Tomato. The food is ready. Let's go for a picnic in the forest with our friends. First, spread the picnic blanket on the grass. Food out and place it on the picnic basket. Juice, sandwich, strawberry, hamburger, pizza. It's time for the picnic. Change the outfit. Let's get ready to hang out. Let's change into beautiful spring outfits first. I feel a bit hot in this outfit. Can you help me change into a lightweight one? Oh no, I feel so cold. This outfit is too light. Comfortable to wear lightweight, long-sleeved clothing in spring. It's warm in spring. Almost everything comes back to life. Plants sprout, flowers bloom, and animals that hibernate also wake up. It's soap. Build sandcastles. It's hot. Summer. Make desserts. La 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 la. It's very hot in summer. Be sure to prevent heat stroke. Let's make some fruit-shaped ice and share it with our friends. Let's choose some fruits first. Lychee, watermelon, mango, grape, ice. Cut open the watermelon. Scoop out some watermelon balls. Dice the mango into small pieces. Pick the grapes. Wow, it looks good. Wow, it looks so yummy! Yes, it looks inviting! The fruit party is starting now! Fruit-shaped ice is so delicious, but do not eat too much at one time. It might cause abdominal pain when eating too much ice.